The 5 miracles of the Prophet Muhammad, which Allah gave only to him. Please watch the full video and share it to others as an Islamic reminder, and you will have rewards from Allah. So my friends, do you know that our Prophet Muhammad performed such miracles which Allah Almighty has not given to any other prophet, but only to him? Number 1. No fly, no bee, or mosquitoes has ever sat on the blessed body of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. Number 2. Our Prophet Muhammad never yawned ever. Number 3. The blessed shadow of our Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, never fell on the ground. Number 4. His sweat was like fragrant. There was no bad smell. Number 5. Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, could look ahead, but could also look back. And whenever the Prophet, peace and blessings of Allah be upon him, passes through a path, the trees and mountains used to send greetings to the Prophet. Say, Salam ya Rasul Allah in the comments. And share this video as an Islamic reminder.